prepare the pH meter, we first need to calibrate it with two buffer solutions, one at pH 7 and one at pH 4. Obtain the electrode and rinse with distilled water. Place the electrode into the pH 7 buffer and gently stir, avoiding bumping it against the sides of the beaker. Adjust the pH meter reading to 7 so that the display correlates with our known pH. Be sure to rinse the electrode with DI water in between readings so that we can ensure accuracy of our experiment. After doing so, stir the meter again and set the reading to the solution's known pH of 4.
It is important to check the accuracy of your calibration by testing the pH of one of your known buffers to ensure your meter is calibrated efficiently to proceed. We did this by retesting our pH 7 buffer to see if our measured value corresponded with the known value.
Now that our pH meter is accurately calibrated, we can begin to test a series of solutions of unknown pH. After rinsing the electrode again with our distilled water, we can then place the meter in the unknown pH solution and gently stir. After doing this, we can then observe the reading on our meter and accurately record. Similar to the steps outlined in calibration, it is necessary to rinse the electrode again with distilled water in between our solution tests.
On an ion molecular level, a strong and weak acid are very different from each other. When a strong acid is dissolved in water, the ions will completely dissociate. On the other hand, a weak acid will only partially dissociate. This difference results in a weak acid establishing an equilibrium since many molecules remain unreacted, while strong acids will completely ionize and establish a non-reversible reaction. It is also important to understand the concept of a buffer and its potential uses in experiments similar to these. A buffer is a substance that can resist the change in pH when an acid or base is subsequently added to the solution. It does this by neutralizing small amounts of that acid or base.
After you finish running your tests, rinse the meter one last time with distilled water and place it back into its container. After completing the experiment, we created a table of measured solution versus observed pH to evaluate our results.